Hey guys, thank you for tuning back into this channel. My name is VELDOGG and this is my kitchen, where I'll be showing you how to make affordable restaurant quality foods or better, from my home to your home. Guys, stay tuned in and don't miss out on this one. Okay guys, today on the chopper block, I'm going to be making you guys the world's best tacos. VELDOGGS taco, the way I do it. And I'll guarantee you, if you make this at home, you will definitely be satisfied with your friends and family. No doubt about it. So let me show you what I got. I got 3 pounds of ground chuck right here, 80-20. All right. I got some romaine lettuce right here, sliced and diced. Okay, guys. And I got some tomatoes. And guys, I don't chop my tomatoes up in like dices. I keep mine in like halves. Just like this, guys. Let me just show you guys how they look. It goes a long way when you do it like this. Alright? This is where you get a tomato in every bite. I have some garden onions right here, which is just green onions. I have some cilantro. You know I gotta have my cilantro, y'all. Right here. And that's chopped up as well. I got 2 cloves of garlic right here. And I got a press for it also right over here. If I can get that out of there. This is my press. I'm going to use that for my meat. I'm going to put that to the side. I have some refried beans, and all I'm simply going to do is microwave this. You don't have to. You can put it in a little pot, put a little lemon juice and all that stuff in it with a little salt and a little pepper and your taco seasoning or whatever. Okay? I have some jalapenos right here. And I have some freshly shredded sharp cheddar cheese right there, guys. All right, please shred your own cheese, guys. It tastes 10 times better. All right, and it's more healthier for you. And these are my sauces that I'm going to use right here. It's like a green sauce right here, and this is like the regular sauce right there, taco sauce. All right, and here's my lemon right here that I'm going to use to squeeze in there. All right, so I'm going to put this stuff to the side right here. So we got to go ahead and make it the seasoning up. I don't want to hold you guys up, but I'm telling you right now, guys, I don't rehearse nothing. I just go in the kitchen and start cooking. I figured out what I'm going to cook, and I just go ahead and do it. All right, without further ado, let's go ahead and jump into the seasoning. All right, we're going to need us some. This is chipotle seasoning right here. All right, this is chipotle. This got some spice to it now, so we're just gonna use a teaspoon with that. All right, just like so. Teaspoon with the chipotle. Put that to the side. This is smoked paprika right here, guys. Smoked paprika. We're gonna use let's see. We're just gonna go with us like a tablespoon with, or a teaspoon with that. All right, and smoked paprika. All right, what else we got? We got some red pepper, crushed peppers, or whatever you want to call it. Let me just open this up. I'm going to go with half a teaspoon of that. Okay, half a teaspoon. This is some granulated garlic. This is a tablespoon of that. I'll probably use all of it. So, well, we go with 2 tablespoons, so there's going to be probably all of that. This is some cayenne pepper. You don't need it if you don't want it, because you got the red pepper flakes. I'm just going to go with a 1/4 teaspoon of that. Like so. All right. All right, we got chili powder. Okay. We're gonna come in here with like 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 5 tablespoons. Okay, guys. All right. Come with the granulated onion. I'm gonna use a tablespoon for this. So we want a lot of that. So that's gonna be 1, 2, 3. 3 of that. What we got here? Some cumin. Okay. It ain't gonna taste like tacos if you don't use the cumin. So we're gonna cover 1 and 2 of the cumin. Alright, we got some celery salt, or if you can use celery seed. So I'm gonna come with that. I'm gonna come with a tablespoon of that. Just like so. Alright, this is black pepper. Guys, we're gonna cover with a tablespoon of that. So remember, we got a lot of spices already. Okay, this is oregano. We're gonna come with like maybe a tablespoon and a half. Gotta have salt. Now I don't know about you guys, but the next one's gonna be a trick. So I'm coming with like a teaspoon of the salt. Man, we just go ahead and go with a tablespoon. Like that. Now I gotta balance mine out, so I'm using sugar in mine as well. Okay, 1 and a half of sugar. All right. So that's complete our sauce. Our seasoning. We're gonna get this good mix, like so. And boy, do it smell delicious. You guys know how to make your own taco seasoning, VELDOGGS taco seasoning. All right. Now you gotta taste it. If you're a chef, you gotta taste your stuff now. Okay. Seems like I'm missing something. I want to put some more onion powder in mine. So we're gonna go with like a teaspoon more of the onion powder. Just like that, guys. All right. So like about a tablespoon of that. All right. Mix this up well. This is gonna last you for a long time, guys. Make your own stuff. You gotta go to restaurants all the time when you can make your own stuff. I'm trying to tell you. All right. So that's what we got. Let me come around here because y'all ain't gonna be able to see it that close. That's what we got right here, guys. Okay. See that? Your own seasoning, just that quick. All right. All right. So this is what we're gonna do. I'm gonna go ahead and put my seasoning in here. For this amount, I'm gonna use probably about 2 or 3 tablespoons. I like to put mine on there just like this. Yep. Alright guys, now I'm going to take this to the stove and we're finna get to cooking this. I'll see you guys over there in a minute. Hey guys, I'm back. Gonna reach over here and grab this spoon. Start mixing this stuff up. Cook this till it gets brown, all the way done. And before I do all of that, while I'm doing this, I gotta take my garlic. And with my garlic press, and all I did was put 2 garlics in there, and then we're gonna just press it. I do need a knife, so yep, this is all we're gonna do. Press it just like that, guys. Excess off like that. Get some more. Now if you wanted to, you could put some onions in it. But if you don't know, if you're new to my channel, my family don't like onions. So I try not to put the onions in there. I gotta be slick. I gotta use onion powder. So we get this, stir this up in there. Let it infuse in this meat. And I'm gonna cook this guy, I'm assuming, because I don't know exactly how long it's gonna take, but there's a lot more meat than I normally use. But I can estimate it, I say about 5 to 6, I say about 7 to 8 minutes. And then we're gonna drain that grease out and start building our world best tacos. Alright guys, when we get done I'll show you that, and I'll see you guys in a minute. Okay guys, I'm back. Now what I'm finna do right here, the reason why it's the world best taco. I'm gonna squeeze me a lemon. If you got a lemon or a lime, just squeeze you some of that in there. This is a half. I use the other half for my refried beans. Last but not least, remember that taco sauce we had? Now this taco sauce that I have right here is by Ortega. So I'm gonna pour some of that in there, like a 1/4 cup, just like that. Okay guys? We don't want it too wet, but we want that flavor to be in there. Like that guys. Go, the world best tacos. Ooh, wee. If you feel that you need some more salt, then please add you a little bit more salt. I did, by the way, I'm glad I'm speaking on that. I did add it like towards the end. I added another tablespoon of the seasoning that we made together. That's after you strain it, okay? Get all the grease out. Most of it anyway. Alright, this is done guys. We put this in a bowl or something, then we're going to go ahead and assemble. My refried beans are done. Let me see, check on those. I did put a half a teaspoon of the seasoning in that also. And that's that right here. The refried beans. And we're just going to go ahead and take this out and put it over there too. Alright guys, I'll see you guys over there in a minute. Okay guys, I am back. So let's start putting these tacos, world best tacos, together. Alright, so this is going to be different. It's not like no other one. It's like you're going to do everything from top to bottom, if that makes sense. Alright, so first, we're gonna come in here with our tomatoes. We're gonna do that. Our tomatoes are gonna always be the same. We're gonna come in here like this, put them in there like so. Just like so. Now we're gonna come in here with our lettuce. Just like so. Right, the world best tacos at VELDOGG'S Kitchen, no doubt about it. And I guarantee if you make these tacos, you're gonna thank me. I appreciate you from thanking me ahead of time. Alright guys, now I'm finna come in here with some like cheese. There's gonna be 2 of these. My cheese in there. Tastes good. Just like so. Now we're gonna come in here with some of this refried beans. Now you don't have to if you don't want to. But before I do the refried beans, I'm coming here with some of this sauce. Shake that up a little bit. Just a little bit, guys. Just a little bit go a long way. I should have put the sauce on first. My kids never had it like this. Alright. Refried beans. Put a little bit in there. If you don't want none, then you don't have to have none. It could be your vegetarian taco. Comment down below if you guys ever made tacos like this. Let me know. I know there's gonna be somebody out there, yeah, I did it like that. Alright. You probably have though, I ain't gonna lie. Alright. It's my refried beans. I'm coming here with some of these onions. Just like so. So we just giving it flavor, guys. We're building flavors in layers. Just like that. Now if you want some jalapenos, you can come in there with those. Alright, now we're going to come in here with our meat. As much as you want on yours, guys. Just going to pack that in there. Just like so. Hope you guys out there making these recipes, I'm telling you. They off the chain. You'll never find another like me. Make sure we got enough meat all over here. Right here, maybe. Alright, get this little meat that fell off. We're going to take us some of this. Now we're going to take this sauce. Put a little of that sauce on there. Alright. Let's make sure this got some. Yeah. Good. That's good. Good, Lavelle. Stop it. Stop it. Put us a little bit more cheese on there. On the top, just to finalize it. Yummy, yummy, yummy. This is my tummy. Alright, let me show you guys this up close. Alright, I gotta come around here. Oh my goodness, camera far. Let's see if I can get this little man. Alright guys, there you go. The world best tacos in VELDOGG's Kitchen. And you gotta try it. Please try it, guys. That's how they look. Ooh. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and clean this up and do my thumbnail. See you guys in a minute. Okay guys, I'm back. There it is, right here. The world best taco. I'm pointing at the bell. So please hit that. Please hit it. Anyway, the world best tacos right here, guys. Off the chain. You gotta try it. Okay? So that's how that looks. Here's my seasoning that we made. Here's the sauces that we used on there. And the lettuce, tomatoes, and all the other garnishment that we have put on there. Okay? Here's the lettuce right here. And all the other good stuff. So let me go ahead and cut to the chase because I'm ready to eat. No doubt about it. So guys, if you like this video of the world best tacos, please give me a like. That's right, a share. And subscribe to the channel. And please don't forget to hit this bell. So you too can be notified next time I upload another delicious recipe. And I'll see you guys next time in VELDOGG'S Kitchen. And I'm out of here. Let's eat.